If you have recently been wondering about top 5 best Christmas lights on Amazon, then this video is for you. In this video we detail about best Christmas lights, with informative details and customer reviews, so that you can know A to Z about Christmas lights. Let's go! Number 1. Adlon LED Outdoor String Lights 48 FT with Edison Vintage Shatterproof bulbs and commercial-grade weatherproof strand. Space into a captivating Halloween haven with our home lighting Halloween lights. The 66 FT string of 200 LED lights, featuring a festive green wire, is the perfect way to illuminate your indoor and outdoor spaces with a spooky yet enchanting glow. With 8 versatile lighting modes to choose from, including steady on, slow fade, twinkle, and more, you have the flexibility to create the ambience that suits your Halloween festivities. Crafted with durability in mind, these waterproof fairy lights are designed to withstand the elements, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're decorating for a Halloween party, Christmas celebration, wedding, or simply adding a touch of magic to your home, these lights are sure to enhance the festive atmosphere. The plug-in design ensures a reliable and continuous power source, allowing you to enjoy the mesmerizing display without worrying about battery replacements.
I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not.
Number 2. Rosetta Star Projector. Galaxy projector for bedroom, Bluetooth speaker, and white noise. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing universe of the Rosetta Star Projector, a multifunctional marvel that transcends ordinary lighting. Designed for bedrooms, gaming rooms, home theaters, and beyond, this Galaxy projector is the perfect blend of technology and aesthetics. Transform your space into a celestial haven with the enchanting starry display, creating a soothing and dreamlike atmosphere. The projector goes beyond visual delight with the added features of a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to sync your favorite music or ambient sounds for a truly immersive experience. The integration of a white noise Aurora projector enhances relaxation, making it an ideal addition to your nightly routine or a serene backdrop for meditation. Perfect for both kids and adults, the Rosetta Star Projector adds a touch of magic to any room. Whether you're creating a calming ambience for bedtime, setting the mood for a gaming session, or enhancing your home theater experience, this projector is a versatile and stylish choice. Easy to set up and customizable, the projector offers a variety of lighting options and color schemes, allowing you to tailor the ambience to your preferences. The celestial projections on the ceiling create a stunning visual display, making it an eye-catching element in your room decor. Step into a world of wonder with the Rosetta Star Projector, where technology meets. Number 3. Swea 300 LED Fairy Curtain Lights. The 300 LED bulbs on this fairy curtain create a mesmerizing display, casting a warm and inviting glow that transforms any setting. Whether you're looking to enhance your bedroom decor, create a romantic atmosphere for a wedding, or add a festive touch to your outdoor party, these lights are the ideal choice. The USB plug-in feature ensures a reliable power source, allowing for continuous and hassle-free operation. Use the included remote control to effortlessly switch between the 8 lighting modes, adjusting the brightness, and creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. Versatility meets style with the Swea Fairy Curtain Lights. The curtain design makes it easy to hang and instantly adds a touch of elegance to your space. Create a captivating backdrop for memorable moments with these warm white lights that promise to be a highlight of your indoor and outdoor decor. Illuminate your surroundings with charm and sophistication using the Swea 300 LED Fairy Curtain Lights. Let the warm white glow and customizable lighting modes set the stage for unforgettable moments in your bedroom, at weddings, or during festive celebrations. Number 4. MagF 304 LED Curtain String Light. Transform your space with the MagF 304 LED Curtain String Lights, measuring 9.8 x 9.8 feet. These plug-in fairy string lights are designed to add a magical touch to your indoor and outdoor decor, making them perfect for Christmas backdrops, bedrooms, windows, weddings, and parties. With 8 dynamic modes and a convenient remote control, these warm white lights offer a versatile and enchanting lighting solution. The 304 LED bulbs create a stunning curtain of light, casting a warm and inviting glow that enhances any setting. Whether you're decorating for the holidays, setting the mood in your bedroom, or creating a romantic backdrop for a wedding, these lights provide the perfect ambience. The plug-in design ensures a reliable power source, allowing for continuous and hassle-free operation. Use the included remote control to effortlessly switch between the 8 lighting modes, adjusting the brightness to suit the occasion and your preferences. Versatility meets convenience with the Magav curtain string lights. Easy to install and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, these lights are a stylish and practical addition to your decor. The warm white glow and customizable lighting modes promise to elevate your Christmas decorations, backdrops, and various celebrations. Number 5. Haunch LED Curtain Lights. 300 LED 8 modes USB with remote. Illuminate your outdoor spaces with the festive charm of our 2-pack solar Christmas lights. These waterproof fairy lights, featuring a generous length of 144 FT and 400 LED bulbs per pack, are designed to add a magical touch to your Christmas tree, garden, parties, weddings, and more. The solar-powered design ensures a hassle-free and eco-friendly lighting solution, allowing you to enjoy the warm white glow without the need for constant battery changes. Crafted with copper wire, these solar fairy LED string lights add a touch of elegance to your outdoor decor. The flexible wire allows you to easily mold and shape the lights to suit your creative vision. Whether you're wrapping them around trees, draping them along fences, or adorning your garden with a captivating sparkle. With 8 dynamic lighting modes to choose from, including steady on, flash, and slow fade, you have the freedom to customize the ambience for any occasion. Let the twinkling lights create a festive atmosphere for your holiday celebrations, or add a touch of magic to your outdoor weddings and parties. These solar twinkle lights are not only decorative but also practical, automatically charging during the day and illuminating your outdoor space at night. Say goodbye to cumbersome power cords and enjoy the freedom to place these lights. Please click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.